Hi Chris.
Hi Jamie, I can confirm I've not got deep enough pockets to be buying that, I'll tell you that much. Now this morning we've had a beautiful sunrise to start the day. This high cloud, this is Alticumulus castellaris, and I think that was kind of picked out by the early morning low sunrise, giving these beautiful pictures you can see here.
Hello, good afternoon. It was a frosty, foggy start to the day, very murky out there across the capital. Our weather watcher photos this time come from eastern areas. So we've got one from Stratford, some dense fog patches around here, still lingering on into the afternoon, barking, frost on the grass, blue sky. But for most areas, it has now clouded over.
Right, Sally's here because he's going to be talking weather. And as you predicted, it was absolutely freezing this morning.
It was so cold, wasn't it? And it's going to be a tiny bit milder tonight and tomorrow, and then it gets cold again.
Brilliant.
So watch out for the black ice. But with these lovely clear skies, we could see the full moon last night, the wolf moon. Here it is balanced precariously on top of the Diana Foundation. There's another one as well. There you go, called the wolf moon, because traditionally that is when, this time of year is when the wolves howl more relentlessly with hunger.
Wow.
I know, I feel sorry for them really. Anyway, let's take a look. A bit more fog on the way. Here we go. Hello again. Well, some areas got some fog this morning, bit of a mixture outside. There's the fog for you, fairly thick. Other areas got some lovely sunshine. Whatever the conditions, certainly needed a coat. It's been pretty cold as we've gone through today. And we've actually got a fog warning in place from now for some patches that could be quite dense, quite thick, particularly to the south of London. Certainly that's where the warning is in place. So watch out for visibility and possibly causing some disruption to traffic. Then tomorrow in the morning, there's going to be some cloud around, maybe a touch of drizzle. There's a cold front sinks south. Behind it, brighter conditions, but breezier ones too.
A very good evening to you. After what was a cold start for many this morning, temperatures recovered quite nicely, particularly where we had some brightness. However, a few clung on to fog all day long. That was Essex earlier on, and that really pegged the temperatures back.
Which may be chilly, but still bright for mid-January, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, well, very, very sunny in places today, although we did have some issues with fog, of course, earlier on this morning. And it was very frosty out there as well. Some beautiful weather watcher photos have come through onto our website. Here are just a few of them from today. So this one from Richmond, very atmospheric there. And our next one is this one from Romford. I love this hoarfrost here with the sunshine behind it. And there's a lovely one just looking down from the hill in Harrow. You can see all of that fog just lingering on there, and for some spots the fog has not cleared all day, and there will be a bit more forming overnight tonight. In fact, there's another Met Office weather warning in place for central and southern areas this time, so not Harrow on the hill, and that's valid until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So as you can see, it's not valid through the rush hour. We are expecting it to lift, and it won't be a terribly widespread problem, but still reduced visibility on many of our roads for a good while overnight tonight. High pressure dominates for the rest of the week, so it is looking dry and settled. Just take a look at the temperature maps here. So 10 degrees tomorrow, big drop by the time we get to Thursday. It does stay dry for the rest of the week. Some sunshine at times, but also some issues with fog again over the weekend. Riz.
A very good evening to you. A chilly starts the night for some of us, with a touch of frost as well as some fog patches initially, and then by tomorrow a very different scene, bright and breezy for many of us with clearer conditions as we head through Wednesday.